Made some alterations. So this will be Mk2. Oh, if you didn't see the Mk1 version, it works. It hasn't got a lot of power. And one of the problems is that arm, when it goes all the way over, it hits the ground and acts as a brake. So first modification is this bit I'm going to add to the front to catch it, to stop it going right the way down. I've increased the size of the springs, or the thickness, so they're double the thickness. And the arm, I've modified the shape slightly, which probably means it will break across there if it gets too stressed. But that should allow it to come down further, because at the moment, when that arm goes over that way, it jams on that cross member. So we'll take this apart, put those wheels onto that chassis. There's a minor difference on that chassis. I've just moved those holes up a tiny bit to accommodate that going through. So yeah, we'll have to see if we can get that off, because I glued it in place. So I'll have to tap it gently to free it up. And yeah, we'll put it together. Right, that's the first part assembled. So we got the catcher in place. We've got the two springs in place. I think I've got them the right way round. Then that's the axle tube that also links them in place. Okay. And then that one has got to go on there, and we'll put it all the... Oh, we got a problem. We'll have to pre-tension. Or we've got to wiggle that off, then put that in place. Ooh, got that. Yeah. Talk to yourself, Grandad, but you've just realised you've made a problem. We'll put them on like that, and that might still be strong enough just for where we're going, but if we want to get any distance, we need to pre-tension it. And if we want to pre-tension it, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think we need more tension. We'll try it, see how it goes like that. But if it's not strong enough, then we need to tension the springs before we put that through, which is not going to be easy. And the wheels. Oh, we probably don't need those spacers, actually, not with these ones. I need to tap them to get them to go together a bit closer. Oh, I think I can work it through. There we go. Right, it's this end that's going to be a little bit awkward. Like I say, I glued that in place and I've got to release it. I've given it a quick test already, and I do need to put some more tension on those springs, so I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. Not sure whether to take the wheel off and turn that, or take the spring thing off, turn them round to put tension on them, and then back through. I think that's what I might have to do. I have to do it one side at a time as well. So what I'm talking about is when it goes that way, yeah, we need to actually bring this all the way around like that. Now that doesn't want to move. That's gone tight on me. There we go. Push that through. And then do the same on the other side. Put a full turn of tension on it. I was trying to be clever, making minimum number of moving parts or components by linking things together, but that's actually made it a bit difficult. Get that off there. Right, now we can turn that all the way around. So that's a full turn of tension on there. All right, will that still... Whoa, that's putting a lot of tension on it now. Yeah, well, that certainly put the tension on. How many times can I say tension? But that is what I'm doing. Pre-tensioning the springs. Okay, I'll put the wheel back on again and we'll give it a try. There's plenty of tension on there. Right, off we go. Well, that works fine. We'll just see if we can hit the camera. Summary time. It works. I made life a bit difficult for myself, needing to pre-tension the springs, but we worked a way around that. Slide the rod across, give it a turn, push it back through again, then do the other side. So now there's a fair bit of tension on there before we even start pulling it across. I'd originally made it this hollow shapes in case we needed to add weight on there. I thought we could put modelling clay in there to weigh it down, but it didn't need any extra weight. So we could turn that over the other way if you wanted it to look more aesthetically pleasing. Obviously, you'd have to sort that end out as well. But yeah, that way round, it works fine. If you want the STL files, let me know in the comments and I'll make them publicly available. But at the moment, I haven't. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.